remember this? Millions of journeys and connections happening every day across Britain. Work, holidays, family, friends.
Blink. National lockdown will stay at home.
Protect the NHS.
Global pandemic.
Then came the virus, and with it, the biggest challenge this country has faced for a generation. Challenges to how we work, challenges to our relationships with family and friends, a challenge to our very way of life. And we, on the railway, found ourselves getting involved and supporting Britain in ways we'd never been asked to before. But our willingness to help, our readiness to stand by you, and our pride to serve will never change, no matter what is thrown at us. Together, we will get through this. To all our passengers out there, thank you. We're here beside you all the way.